inside. He just keep on running. Play smart. Acceptable or umpire will stop.
I think if somebody wants to get out, that's in his own hands actually. Umpires.
That's not good. That's very good.
You know, this thing happened before and you were on the field. So that's why I just raised the question now.
I think if somebody wants to get out, there is no way. You must stop it.
This is not getting out because he wants to get up. He wants to make sure that his team.
I think we just need to stick with the cricket rule, that is using our sense and spirit of cricket and being fair.
Ball
So that is,
over to umpire is dead ball.
as I say, that umpires are very, very experienced, and they will take all the appropriate action during that match if something happens. I hope that there will be no such a thing happen. But if there is anything happen, then umpires are the judges there, and hopefully will control. Really take a straight action, and actually players might be banned as well, not to take part in further matches. So we will really go hard on those behaviors. So I think the tournament, very, very organized, and we have rules and regulations, and umpires are there. So we will have to stick with those, and hopefully let's enjoy the game. Thank you, guys.
Thank you. Thank you.
Official welcome to each and everyone present over here, including the 6 teams: Surgeon Spartan, Surgeon Ninjas, Bhutani 11, RA 11, and Bangkok Tigers, and friends. Welcome you all to the SHKPL. This year we have made this event bigger and better just for you, so that you can have fun and play cricket with a true spirit. So, may I please call upon Dias, our chairman of SHKPL, Rashmi, to give some opening comments about the event. Thank you.
Good evening. Welcome and good evening to all the teams and its officials. Our title sponsor, Unity Jewelry representative, Mr. Goenka, member of the LSWCC and Surgeon members. First of all, I would like to congratulate all the teams for being the part of this unique experience called Unity Surgeon Premier League, popularly known as SPL. With this event, we are seeking to create a benchmark in the organizing corporate sports event. And this year, we have made it bigger and better with the help of sponsor Unity's Jewelry, who will be the part of SPL for coming 3 years. We congratulate them for seizing this opportunity and be the part of history in making. This year, we are hosting 6 teams, including one from Bangkok, Thailand. Event has already created so much momentum that we have received appeals on batsman call, 10 ball overs, to help teams to perform better and take a stage of high expectation. We have appointed a team mentors for each and every team. These mentors are the players who have international exposure and been part of Hong Kong national team. The details of which are provided in the welcome kit. Not wasting much of the time, I would like to wish all the team best of luck and make the best team win tomorrow. Thank you.
Thank you, Rashmi. Now I would like to call upon stage the SHKPL Organizing Committee in charge, Mr. Tabarak Dar, to give comments about how we will be conducting in 2 days and about the mentors and introduce them to you. So, Tabarak Dar, please.
Good evening, guys. I think I have taken a lot of time explaining the rules of the tournament, so I don't want to go back to that again. But I will introduce on the mentors and their role a little bit. Why we have coaches, very experienced coaches lined up with each team. Okay, the role will be actually to give some advice, some coaching tips, or to prepare you for matches. Okay, they have very well experienced players for Hong Kong over the years. They've been players and they also qualified coaches. So the idea is to give you some exposure, give you some advice, which will be help or maybe will improve your performance on the field of the day. Just go quickly through their names. Javed Iqbal is an ex-Hong Kong player. He played almost 13 years for Hong Kong. Recently retired and now is serving as the assistant national coach with the Hong Kong team. Recently just came back from Dubai, where Hong Kong actually have gained 4th place and promoted to Division 2. So he'll be helping Friends Club tomorrow. Hopefully Friends' performance will go up from last year tomorrow. He's been in the news recently for his performances in Dubai. He just missed on a century against Namibia, but he, I think, did really well for Hong Kong on this tour. He's just 17 years old. He's also a qualified cricket coach level 1, and definitely he's one of the stars for Hong Kong. So he'll be helping out Bhutani. Sarjan Ninjas. So Sarjan Ninjas is really good hands as well. Nadeem Ahmed. He's also a current national player. I think you will know him very well. He's part of the Hong Kong Sixers team for 3 years. He's also, I think, the youngest debut player for Hong Kong. I think he played ODI match against Sri Lanka, against Bangladesh, against Pakistan in 2004, and he is being the youngest player to actually play an ODI game. So he will be the coach for Bhutani 11s tomorrow, and again I think Bhutani 11 will be in very experienced hands. So a lot of things will be coming from him. Now I call Niaz Ali. He's also a young Hong Kong national player. Started playing for Hong Kong in 2007. He toured Pakistan with the Hong Kong team. Played against some first-class teams. Now recently came back from Hong Kong Under-19 tour, where he was the highest wicket taker in the tournament. Also a qualified cricket coach, level 1, also a qualified umpire as well. So he knows the rules and regulations. He'll be helping out Bangkok Tigers. I think the team is not here. They'll be arriving, they'll be on the airport now. So hopefully they'll be playing his first match tomorrow, and as Niaz Ali, we will give all the tips and rules and regulations to them. So I hope they will do well as well. We have, next one is Irfan Ahmed. Again, he is one of the big performers for Hong Kong. He is just 19 years old as well. Just finished his under 19 career actually. He's now moved to the national team. Big performer again, big name for Hong Kong. I think player of the year for last Hong Kong Sixers. He was the best player as well for Hong Kong Sixers. I think the most talented cricketer we have in Hong Kong, bowling at 140 Ks. He's very famous of his speed. People backing him up. He did really well in under 19 World Cup as well. And he will be coached by the RA Worlds of Diamond. And I think RA's performance will really go up with this big name. Munir Ahmed is not here. He's also a Hong Kong Sixers player, but Shakil will represent Munir on a coaching panel. Munir Gaur will be coach for Sergeant second team, Spartans. Sergeant Spartans. He was busy on his work. He was not available, but he will be there tomorrow morning for you. I think I already sent him the rules and regulations, so you don't need to worry, and you also know the rules. Thank you, guys. Just a small note on Dustas. What is Dustas actually? I call it Dustas because we all understand what is Dustas. It's 10-over game. But why we bring this new format, to play and try out? I've been a development officer within the Cricket Association for 3-4 years. And the challenge we face actually, how to promote the game of cricket in a community like, Hong Kong, where people don't have a time actually. We always look for something, short and small where you will have more fun. So creating Dustas is actually, creating more fun, where people actually can enjoy more. We famously play in sixes, which is quite, popular among the Hong Kong community and even overseas. I think Dustas can be another achievement for us actually to start, because Dustas actually fall in the same category as what football is actually, 40 minutes per half and 40 minutes per innings, what Dustas is actually. So bringing this new and then bringing some new excitement and changes and trying out, I think, and trying out with SPL, with Sergeant Hong Kong Premier League, I think both can go together long way. I think that is what Dustas is actually. To having more fun and having, trying out new things in Hong Kong where people don't have a time, a shorter version of the game, and that might be, something good for the future as well for Hong Kong. That's it. Thank you guys.
Thank you, coaches, and thank you, Mubarak. Now we'll have the trophy unveiling ceremony, and after that, every team will have a chance to take a photo with the trophy along with their bankers. So, first of all, may I like to thank once again our event sponsor, Unilink Jewelry, for being such a nice sponsor and coming in at the right time when Jordan really needed someone to take us to the next level, and we will try to prove ourselves that we are a better organizers of event in Hong Kong. So that's what we aim to achieve. So may I please call upon stage Chairman of Unirich, Mr. Suman Goenka.